Do this for next 21 days and I assure you your life will never and ever be the same. Whatever you want, you are going to get that. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and on this channel I talk about living your best possible life, communication, success, mindset. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. So one of the secret every successful person has, one of the things that every winner in the world has done is they have reprogrammed their mind. So if you want to build your physical health, what do? You go for a walk, you go to a gym, right? Every day you do something so that you are healthy. Similar way, every day it is important that you train and reprogram your mind for a lot of success and living the life that you truly desire and deserve. But can that only be done by thinking about it? No, you have to do something about it. And I'm going to share with you a magical tool that will take just 2 minutes of your day every day, and if you're going to do this every day without fail, you're going to thank me for this. It is a beautiful way to reprogram your mind. So now let me tell you something beautiful about mind. So your mind, there are two minds that we have, okay? One is conscious mind and one is subconscious mind. Right now I'm speaking to you guys. What I'm using, it's a conscious mind, okay? Because I'm using my words to communicate, okay? But right now blood is flowing through my body automatically. Who is doing that? Subconscious mind, okay? Which means subconscious mind is more powerful. Subconscious mind has so much of power that it can give you everything that you truly desire and deserve. So there's a beautiful line, that says entire universe is inside you. What does that mean? It means you have all the powers within you. The only thing you need to do is you need to tap into your powers. So what happens is, if you reprogram your subconscious mind every day with the power of conscious mind, what will happen? Your subconscious mind is going to accept that as a command. And if anything your subconscious mind has accepted, it is going to show up in your reality. It is proven scientifically. And you can see this everywhere. Earl Nightingale has talked about it. The same thing is said in The Secret everywhere. Anybody who has ever achieved anything great in this world, they have unleashed the power of your subconscious mind. And let me tell you, it is very simpler. It is simpler than you can even think of. And it is the shocking part about it is very simple. So what we do is, I'm going to give you a tool, and this tool is called affirmations. Okay, now what is an affirmation? Affirmation is a positive statement that you say to yourself. There's a beautiful question that people ask, and that is that, Neha, we have so much of negative thoughts, at times. Can we control our thoughts? The answer is no, you cannot control your thoughts, right? But you can program your mind in a way so that you're able to balance it and you're able to manage it. So there is a research that says that one positive statement, okay, one positive statement is 1,000 times more powerful than a negative statement, okay? Which means if you're going to say to yourself positive things every single day, it's going to be thousands and thousands of times of effective than anything negative that is happening in your life. So no matter what is right now happening in your life, if you use the power of affirmations, you can get anything that you truly desire. Affirmation is what? It is a positive statement that you say to yourself, okay? Also, this statement has to always be in the present tense, okay? Like, let's say one of the very simple affirmation is, I am confident, okay? I am smart, I am successful, I am healthy, I am wealthy. Very simple affirmations. What are they? They are positive statement that you're saying it to yourself. I is you, right? I am healthy, okay? So what happens is, why are we saying these affirmations in the present tense? The answer is, yours understands that whatever time you have is now, okay? If you will say, I will become healthy, universe will accept that also. So whatever you say to universe with a feeling, okay? Not like this, okay, I'm healthy. No, I am healthy. You have to feel it in your heart. Universe is going to say one thing, your wish is my command. Okay, so when you say any positive statement, universe always says your wish is my command. So when every day you start saying to yourself positive affirmations, which is I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am confident, I'm super smart, I'm amazing, I'm successful, I am magnetic, I'm smart, whatever, I'm financially free, okay, I have multiple streams of income, I'm beautiful, I am gorgeous. So when you say these things every day, universe listens, and what universe says? Your wish is my command. Now, the only way these affirmations are going to work is, number one, you have to believe in these affirmations. If you are saying these affirmations, I'm confident, no, it's not going to work out, okay? When you say I'm confident, you have to feel that confidence in your body, you have to feel that confidence in your heart. So here the catch is feeling. So let's say you say just 5 affirmations every day, okay? I am healthy, I am powerful, I am smart, I am successful, I am financially free, okay? So you can have affirmations that goes well right now with your situation. If you're somebody who wants solution of health, okay, so you can just say I am healthy. Wants more money in your life, then you can always say I am a money magnet. If you're somebody who wants to attract a soulmate, you can always say I'm in a beautiful relationship with my soulmate. Okay, so whatever you want currently in your life, based on that, have an affirmation. You can have 1 affirmation, 2 affirmation, 3, 4, 5, or as many as you want, but if you're starting off, start with 4 or 5 affirmations. Every day say these affirmations. Do not even miss a single day. Let's say I want to cut a tree. If I go and if I'll try to cut a tree, will I get success? No, right? But every day if I do it, I keep on hammering at the same place every day, what will happen? Maybe after 15 days or 20 days, finally the tree will fall. So that's how your mind is. So maybe one day when you're doing something, nothing is happening. 2 days, nothing is happening. 3 days, nothing is happening. But when you do it continuously for 21 days, you build a very positive momentum, and when you build that momentum, after 3 weeks you yourself will change. There is a change in your external reality. You will start, let's say if you have said I'm successful, you will start seeing there are a lot of opportunities that are coming your way. If you have said I am healthy, then you will start seeing that you will get some idea, somewhere you will go and you will experience much better health. If you have said something for the money, you will start attracting opportunity. It's going to give you a lot of money. So whatever you want, if you every day say it with 100% conviction, with 100% belief, and if you feel it, nobody can stop you. Okay, so use this tool for your health, for your wealth, for your relationships, or any area of your life. Do this for next 21 days. After that also continue doing it. Do not miss a single day. Feel it in your bones and affirmations. Once you have done this, come back over here, and in the comment box I want you to share your experiences. I hope guys that this video was helpful. If yes, then hit the thumbs up. Somebody who would like to be an amazing communicator, then I'm doing a live workshop of the same. The link is in the description. And if you're somebody who would like to live a much better life, then you can join my WhatsApp group, wherein I share amazing tips and also you get bonus learnings over there. Thank you so much. Bye.